11-step process on how we use to get this is video 2. In video 2, we're going to look into finding the situation your audience is in to target more effectively. Okay? Once you decide on exactly who you want to turn into customers for your business, you have to start paying attention to what they are going through. Some questions to ask yourself: what is my audience's biggest problem? How can I help them fix that problem? What does their day-to-day look like? What are some of other related problems I can help with? And what is their greatest worry? Even if it doesn't relate to the service you provide them, all right, you can't solve them directly. Okay, what I'm saying. Okay, let me repeat. Even if it doesn't relate to the service you provide and you can't solve that problem directly, all right, it's best that you find out what is their greatest worry. Okay, because you can use it in context towards engagement. Okay, when you start to understand how to tie your business into what your audience is going through and a unique situation that only applies to them, you can do some amazing marketing, especially on Facebook. Okay, let me give an example of how we do this. Okay, for my chiropractic client, I didn't just run ads that were targeted at females that were around the age of 35 years old, if you can remember from video 1. Okay, I ran ads that spoke to them about the situation they are going through. Whether it's they're going through now, or they were going through, or they're going to be going through. Okay, we knew they were moms or toddlers or young kids in school. Okay, that means they have younger kids in school. Okay, these ladies have demanding schedule that keeps them running all over the place, and most likely the keepers of their household. Actually, in a way, they are actual boss at home that keep everything running. Most likely, these ladies are the gatekeepers of their family's healthcare. All right, they are also worried about their husband's health, uniquely open to treating themselves to deal with all of the above. Dealing with their kids' schoolworks, and ultimate success as a young human being. Dealing with the job and actively trying further their career while doing all of the above. Okay? Worried about maintaining their physical appearance, worried about maintaining their physical health, and worried about their own health, mental health. Knowing the above about my client's target audience was a huge factor in who our ads were successful, all right, to reaching out. If I understood the above, we could easily really speak to my chiropractic client's audience and make them understand that what he was their only choice when they needed help. Okay, understanding the situation that they were going through also allowed my client to build attractive offers that would get them into his business first time and get them to come back often. Ask yourself, what is your ideal prospect going through right now? What situation are they dealing with daily that you can use to speak to them and show them that you understand them? I should understand their problem, should understand what will make them worried, okay, and how you can actually help them. Once you know those things, it's time to start crafting an offer that will be hard for them to say no. Put an offer that they cannot resist. Okay, now look out for video 3 as we look into picking an offer that solves their problem, okay, based on all the questions I asked that I shared with you. All right, you're going to answer it and do it. All right, and become video 3 will address we'll have the answer to all the questions I asked in video 3 so that we can pick up an offer that solves their problem. Okay, if you don't want to miss out the notification when we post new content, then please switch on your notification alert. All right, the video tutorial is in the group under unit section. Okay, so look out for next video 3. All right, till then, execute, share with us what you go through. All right, share with us what your results. Okay, what the avatar of your clients. All right, then maybe in the group we can all share, okay, and see how we can work into putting in more information that can beef up your client's demographic. All right, so till I'll see you video 3. See you then. Bye bye.